Hello guys, my name is Arju and I am a UiPath developer. So today I am going to tell you about one of the best feature introduced by UiPath in 20.4 stable release. So when we are running a process, normally we cannot use mouse, keyboard, or we cannot interact with the screen. So now UiPath has introduced a new feature, picture in picture PIP, through which we can execute an attended process without giving up control over mouse, keyboard or screen. So we can continue our work parallelly while robot is running a process in an isolated system. So now I am going to show you how we can use this feature. So for this we will go this UiPath assistant and we can see the process list here. So you can see we do not have option for PIP here. So for that, first we need to install this process. So I will install this, then I will click on this. You can see now we have option for multitask with PIP experimental. So I will click on this. Once I will click on this, it will if you are clicking on first time, it will ask to enable the PIP. So you can either enable it from here, or it will give a pop-up to you. You can click on yes, and then you can enable your PIP, picture in picture option. So once you will enable, then it will ask credentials to log in into your system, but it will ask only for current login. After next Windows login, it will not ask about Windows credentials anymore. So I am going to provide credentials. One more thing you have to keep in mind, you have to give the credentials quickly. So if you will take time, it will get timeout. So I'm clicking on this. You can see now your process is started in this PIP. Also you can see your process is started here, and in PIP window you can see browser got open and one pop-up came. So this is test actually. Also we have many options here, like if you want to see it into the full screen, you have to click on this, or maybe if you want to large preview window, if you want it to be in a small preview window, you have so many options and you can use according to you. So now you can see I'm able to work on my PC and process, and I'm able to use other applications as well, and also parallelly we are able to run this process. Also one more thing I will tell you, like suppose if you want to get input from user, you can get it in the process, so you will able to interact with this PIP window as well. So let me make it full screen. Then if I will click on this pop-up, you can see I am able to click on this pop-up. So you can interact with this PIP window also. So we are able to work parallelly in this machine, in this PIP also and this PC also. So basically what PIP does, it is creating a new session for the same user on the same machine, and we can work on both parallelly. So that's all about the PIP as of now, which I explored. I will let you know if I will get more information. So thank you guys watching my video. Thank you so much.